Hi, it's Tamara here from the EFT Training Centre. Sorry about that first false attempt. Obviously, my voice wasn't ready for it just yet. Today, we're going to be doing some tapping again to help us through this coronavirus crisis or epidemic. And I just want to say what came up for me last night as I was going to bed. I felt like I was on this roller coaster and I was going quite slowly, but I felt like I didn't know where this was going to lead. It's kind of taking me into the unknown, and there was a feeling of unknown, uncertainty, what's going to happen next kind of feeling. Like at any moment now we could drop, we could go into the darkness. And it was that kind of feeling. It sounds scary, but it was kind of curious. And then interestingly, this morning, as I was thinking about it, I remember I had this dream in the night about a whole bunch of us being in this speedboat in Australia, and we and it was this kind of like crazy ride where you didn't know where you were going to go, and it was like shooting up in the air. And the last bit was they were saying, "Can you swim?" And they kind of went over a house in the middle of the water and then landed. But the good news about the dream was that even though it was quite scary, we landed and everyone was okay and everyone was safe. So I don't know what that means. And there have been changes in my life already, particularly for our daughter, who a week ago had a job, a trip to South America planned. She's been organising for months to make a documentary about the fires in the rainforest, and she'd got everything together, a team, the charity she was going to visit, etc., etc. Now that's not happening. The course that she was hoping to do, which has got lottery funding and it was very difficult to get onto, has now been cancelled, not postponed. So all of a sudden she's like, what's happening next? And for us as a business, we're on our last live training, and I'm guessing that's going to be for a while. And that is a lot of our income, so I don't know where that's going to lead as well. So a lot of uncertainty. So I've got a few things that people have asked to tap on today. So the need to unite with politics and communities, families, friends, neighbours, and concern about families with asthma, vulnerable people in our family, and also a request to do a tapping video for the NHS, which I think I'm going to do a separate one for. So if anyone is working on the NHS and has particular concerns, please do share them and I will incorporate them into another video. So if you haven't done EFT emotional freedom techniques before, it's like acupuncture for emotions without the use of needles. And the invitation is to do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, simply don't do it. But if you do tap along with me, then you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So let's get going. So even though I'm living in a strange world, an unfamiliar world, and it feels like a roller coaster, I feel like as a planet we're moving into the unknown. I don't know where we're going, I don't know where it's leading to, and I know it's affecting a lot of people. It's affecting me and my family, my friends, my community, my country, and the whole planet. And that makes me feel overwhelmed. And I deeply and completely accept myself and my feelings just as they are. So tapping through the points, all of these feelings, it's like a roller coaster. I don't know where we're going. I don't know where this is leading to. And I have fears and concerns for vulnerable members of my family, elderly, people with existing symptoms, people with asthma, and I'm sending them healing energy, invincibility, resilience energy, super immunity energy. I'm sending all of that to you, and I'm inviting those qualities in for me too. And I'm inviting in the energy of connection and kindness so that we can be there for our friends, connection energy with my family, connection and love energy with my family, connection and kindness with my neighbours, connection and kindness energy with my community, connection and kindness energy with all the people in my country, and all the people in the world, to connect together so that we can all support each other through navigating these new territories, new unknown territories where we don't know where we're going or what's going to happen. And sending good energy to all our politicians and decision makers, that they make the best decisions for all of us as a country, and they communicate with other politicians in other countries, so that we work together as a planet, helping each other, raising our consciousness to new levels with kindness and compassion, so that we can be there for each other in new and wonderful ways. I want all of this and more. For me, for you, for my family, for my friends, for my community, for my country, for my planet. I'm open to the possibility that as I'm tapping, not only is it helping me and helping everyone who is tapping together, but this tapping is working on everyone, helping everyone feel stronger, helping everyone's immunity, helping everyone reconnect with their sense of kindness and community and giving and loving and connection. I want all of this and more. And I'm open to the possibility of infusing trust into every cell of my being, that this is possible, that we can help each other. I'm open to the possibility of magic and miracles. And put your hands on the centre of your chest and say transform, and take a deep breath, transform. So I really hope that's helped you for today. Again, I'll be making another video tomorrow. Please do share in the comments how it's helped you, and I'll be coming back tomorrow. So if you have any suggestions on what you'd like me to tap on, then please do let me know in the comments, and please do repeat this as often as you need to. So you might like to tap once a day for 5 minutes a day, every morning and evening, or you might, if you've got time now, just repeat this video right now, or look at one of my other tapping videos. I've made several already, and I'm going to carry on through until I run out of steam, basically. So have an amazing day. We can get through this. Lots of love.